Hey guys, we hope that y'all having an amazing day. We have an awesome, wonderful gift that we have received through mail. And we actually have it since yesterday, and we've been dying to open it, but we wanted to wait today where everybody's home and we can enjoy it, because our girls are super excited about this gift.
Oh yeah.
So this gift is super special because it comes all the way from Belfast, Ireland, from two amazing, wonderful, wonderful, beautiful people that we love so much with all of our hearts.
Oh yeah.
And most of y'all might know who these wonderful people are. Lynn from Desert Plants of Avalon.
And Hans from Family Cacti and Other Beauties. If you haven't checked out their channels, definitely go check out their channels.
Yes.
Lynn has some amazing stuff going on with cacti, and
wonderful babies that
Yep.
she has there.
And Hans does as well. We absolutely love both their channels. Hans specifically, I love following him on Facebook. He has some pretty cool stuff. He's into music and stuff like that, which is pretty awesome and right down our alley. But pretty good, amazing channels. I would definitely go and check them out, and we'll put the links down below as well.
Okay, and we wanted Lynn and Hans to see us open it as well. So here we go, guys. Lynn had let me know that she was going to send me some cacti seeds, guys, from her babies. So this is so special to me. I don't want to see.
The kids are obviously excited about this.
Yes.
Stuff.
Yeah. I went ahead. We had opened it for right now, but we have not gone in there and we have not seen it. Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, guys! Y'all just so awesome.
So, let me see the first one here.
Oh my goodness!
So Amberlynn's gonna love this, and just want Lynn to know that Venus flytrap seeds. You excited about that?
Yes.
So we definitely appreciate this stuff. It's pretty awesome to receive stuff like this. This one's a Rebutia senilis lilacino rosea cactus seed.
I can't say
sorry
that.
if I butcher these names, but Ecropsis subdenudata domino cactus seeds.
Can you say that?
So I'm gonna try to attempt to say the actual name, but there's also the common name on here. Echinopsis hybrid cactus, white flowers.
Oh my god, they're beautiful.
Opuntia ficus indica cactus. Trisoceras cactus seeds.
Even has a date when you harvest it, Lynn. That is awesome.
Datura plant seeds. And saguaro cactus carniglia gigantea.
Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Those are adorable.
And
Two little cards.
these are actual cards. I knew Hans was a musician and actor, and I think it's absolutely awesome. I've seen his stuff on Facebook. But we'll definitely, I'm going to crop these up and put them up on the screen as well.
Check them out, guys. They are amazing.
And then, oh, there's one
more.
Passiflora seeds.
Oh my goodness. This is a lot of wonderful seeds.
So,
thank you so much, Lynn. I can't wait.
They look like erasers.
The kids are starting to.
So these are pretty cool.
Oh my gosh. I
This
think
is
that's
awesome.
the wrong way around.
So she also included these cactus stickers, and we noticed that she sent a letter, and she used the cactus sticker to close that letter. So that's pretty cool. This is very exciting. We love all of our followers and subscribers, but we also love to follow other channels, and this is one of the great channels that we like to follow as well. So we're pretty excited to receive stuff.
So
like
we
this.
have the card here. These Angie and Ambrose and all the family, and there's a little cacti sticker. Haven't opened it, so hope I don't. I'm not such a good I will just shred the card. So I'll let Ambrose take care of opening it, because I'm super excited right now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh guys.
Even the card's adorable.
Okay, we'll read this we'll keep this to ourselves, and I just want to cry of happiness. Thank you so much, guys. Lynn, Hans, this truly means a lot to us. We first time to have cacti seeds. We have maybe
Yeah.
two cacti babies that we have, and we've been trying to learn. We try to learn as much as we can before we start purchasing the plants, because we don't want to kill them.
Definitely not.
And I think we're ready to go ahead, and we've had two of them that they're thriving, and one of them has actually flowered for us, and we're super happy to have them in the home. And we wanted to actually start our collection of cacti and succulents, and
I think we're ready.
this is amazing. So we can't wait to. We're actually gonna start sowing the seeds, right?
Well, we're gonna wait till after we move. That way we start fresh, and we have a setup and everything going on, so we can put those seeds and get them going. We don't want to do it here. Obviously, we're gonna move a whole bunch of stuff, so it's gonna be kind of, I don't want to cause any more stress on stuff than what we need to. But
we just want to say too, we cherish the friendship that we've made with you, Lynn and Hans, very much from our hearts, and thank you very much.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. We definitely, again, want to thank Lynn and Hans for sending this stuff. The kids are absolutely enjoying the stuff that you send. Let me see one of those real quick.
They love them.
So, yeah, these are pretty awesome. I think they're great. Kids absolutely love them. But again, we do want to say thank you for sending these seeds. We definitely will cherish them and appreciate this. Again, if you guys haven't checked out their channels, we'll put the link down below. Definitely go and check them out. A lot of great knowledge. A lot of information on cacti and stuff like that. So that's going to do it for the video, guys. We appreciate you joining us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
What you got to say, girls?
Thank you, Lynn and Hans.
Love you guys. Bye.